Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nyasha and I'm starting my first video with the haul, Boxing Day haul, and I'm just here to show you all the little bits and bobs that I got. First I'll start with the accessories. I got this phone case. I'm getting a new phone. It's not here yet, don't ask me, it's like so much drama, but I'm ready for it when it's coming. It's for the iPhone 7. It's really cute and it's got like little ears at the top. It was £2 and it was on sale because originally it was £7, and I think that's a really good bargain. It's a really good price. And then the second thing I got was this sparkling choker. I was thinking more like New Year's Eve, and it's like super duper cute, and it was £1.50 originally. I think it was £4, and it's also from New Look. And the next thing I got this sports bras from TESCO. I know, it's like TESCO, really? Yes. They were both on sale for £12. Originally it was 20. There's a white one and then there's a black one, and both is size 38G if you're interested, but I'm not sure if they'll still have them. But they're really cute, and I just wanted something basic to start my gym. You know, January everybody's like, let's start the gym, and I'm like on that right now. And then I also got these really cute pajamas from TESCO. You can see I really love the print on the front, and they're just basic cute pajamas. And this is the pants I got. They're just really cute, the stars on there. And I also got this from TESCO. It was £9.50, but the original price was, I think it was £14 before, and I just think it was really cute. And then the second thing I got was from H&M. I went like H&M sports clothing shop, like to get myself ready for the gym. So I looked online and they had like a massive sale the day after Boxing Day, so I ordered a few things. I ordered this top. It's a really just basic top for the gym, and it's actually quite big on the side because I have a top that's smaller and then my hips are like much wider. So on the top here, when you can see in my try-on video, at the top here the bust is a little bit loose, it's like open, but it's a really cute top. It comes with the basic for the gym, and I shall be wearing it to the gym this year. And then I also got the matching pants with it. I really like these leggings because I'm a big, like, they're so comfortable. I'm a big fan of like sports leggings, especially H&M are really good at like the size, like, because most shops I find that if you're wearing sports leggings, they're a little bit lower. You can see in my try-on video that it's a little bit higher. I prefer that. I prefer them to be, the cut to be a little bit higher, and I really love them, and they're so cute and they just looks really good. And these were, I believe, £8.99. Originally it was like £15 or something now. And also I got another leggings. They're similar fabric, and the cut is very similar. It covers up all the way up to my bum. I love the way it fits. These are much tighter than the first ones because I don't know, I just think it's the way they're cut, because these have different fabric. They have to actually make different patterns to make these leggings. Where that one is just one whole pattern, the front and back. This is like I think it's 3 different patterns because they have 3 different colors, so they're a little bit tighter. I prefer these ones because they don't ride down. If I'm like doing so much exercise, they start to like kind of ride down. So I really love I love the black and white. The contrast is so pretty, and I got this as well in a size 3X because my bottom is a little bit bigger. And this was the original price. I have it here. Upside down. Original price again was £19.99, but now it's £11, so which is really good. I love to save again. I was like, I have to get this. It's going in my basket. It's super cute. And then I went shopping in New Look. I actually went out to New Look on the Boxing Day. I went shopping in store in New Look, so I was just looking around. I found these leggings. They're really cute for like New Year's Eve. I was thinking, oh my god, I have to get them for like parties on New Year's Eve. and they're super cute. They fit really well. They're like high, they go up high. I prefer things that like go up higher and cover my stomach more. And the back, it has to like really go up higher because my bum kind of like comes out a little bit more longer than normal people, so it has to really like cover. And I got this in size 20, and they're super cute. They were originally £22 and they were on sale for £11. Again, it's a nice good saving. And then I got this bodysuit. It doesn't actually close underneath because this is a size smaller. I got it because I knew it would stretch. This is jersey, so it's size 18. I should have got size 20, but I didn't because I knew it would fit. As you can see, it fits quite well. I don't mind the tightness. I prefer the bodysuit to be tight. As you can see, it's super duper cute. I love olive green. It's like one of my favorite colors. This was originally £9, and it was, yeah, I got it myself because it was like £4. Of course, I have to get it. It's like £4. Why not? Even if it's a small size, I have to get it. It's £4. Come on. Okay, and then I got also a new look. This black jumper, but it's supposed to be an oversized jumper for a normal person because this is a size large. But because it was very big, as you can see, I was like, why not? I'll get it. It was originally £22. Again, it was £9 on sale, so I just got it. It doesn't look oversized. It just looks like a normal jumper, so that's why I got it. And it's super cute. I love it. I think it's just gonna look really cute. The last thing I got was the coat. I needed a new coat. I was like, oh my god, I'll just wait for the sale and get a new coat because I can't spend full price. I can't. It hurts me to spend full price on anything. I feel pain. I waited for the sale again. Like, this was from H&M on the sale. It's such a cute coat. I love the color. I love the hardware. You can see all the zip is gold and it's got like the tying thing. I love the fur on the hood, even though I don't really wear a hood if I'm like wearing a jumper unless it's raining. But inside it's got like this sheep kind of material inside, which is like, it makes it really warm compared to like normal coats if they have just the lining inside. It makes this coat really super warm. This was originally, I believe it was £59 and I got it for £29 on H&M. I remember the price because I was like, oh my god, this coat is so cheap, I have to get it. And I got it in a size 22 because I prefer to have more room in the coat. If I'm wearing like jumpers, I will have like a little bit more room to like fill out inside the coat. And I think that's all the stuff that I got. If I can find the links to all the stuff I have, I'll put it in the description below. But just subscribe to my channel. I'm new here. If you have any comments, likes, thumbs up the video. Thank you. Bye.